Friends, my name is Vinay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm UAE Property Advisor. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful project wherein you can get a property by just paying 1% every month. Yes. So let me brief you about this project. First, let me tell you about the developer. We are talking about the developer known as Oro24, and this project is known as Torino. The location of the project and the prices, sizes, we will show you all the details about the project. Let me take you to the developer office. Over there I will explain you over the model and will give you the inside of the project. Please come. So we are in the office of Oro24. Let me take you to the project model and let me brief you about the project. Please come. So guys, this is the project we are talking about. This is the Torino. The location of the project is in Arjan. So let me brief you about Arjan. Arjan is centrally located in Dubai. From Burj Khalifa it is just 15 minutes, and from Marina it's again 15 minutes, and the new airport, that is Al Maktoum Airport, again it is 15 to 20 minutes drive. Everyone must have heard, whosoever came to Dubai or who have brief idea about Dubai, about the Miracle Gardens. So Miracle Garden is in Arjan only. So this project is very close to the Miracle Garden. It's in Arjan area. The project, it's a first gated community in Arjan. Altogether they have 6 towers. The structure of the tower is ground plus 5 floors, wherein you are getting 17 world-class amenities, including your lazy river, swimming pool, yoga deck, squash court, jogging track, barbecue area, and many more amenities are there. Not only this, if may I talk about the parking area, they have dedicated parking area on the ground floor. You can see over here. Apart from this, you have extra car parkings for the visitors. Lot of people have an issue with the pets. Like there are a lot of projects wherein pets are not allowed, but in this project pets are allowed, and for the pets they have a special garden over here. They have a park for pets. You can zoom it and see this. So if may I say what they are offering studio apartments, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom apartments. They have varieties in 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom both. Not only this, the payment plan of this project is very lucrative. You can check out the payment plan. The payment plan is really great. It's a 6 to 7 years of payment plan wherein you just need to pay 1% every month. Now this is again a USP. Anyone can buy across the globe, sitting at your home, sitting at your couch while watching my video. You can choose the unit, you can give me a call. I'll brief you about the project. Most important thing, if I talk about this project, there are 3 key factors of this project. Number 1, the location. The location is very well centrally located in the heart of Dubai. Number 2, the prices. The prices of an apartments over here is the best in the market. Number 3, the payment plan. You just need to pay 1% every month, and you're getting post handover payment plan as well. To know more about this project, you can connect me anytime. I'm available 24/7. My team will get back to you and we can serve you at your couch itself. Thank you so much.